welcome to my channel. My name's Ethan. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a milkshake, and I hope you enjoy my film. Now I'll tell you all the ingredients: some Milo, some milk, a banana, and you also need some honey, a spoon, and you also need this, which is a blender, and we'll press this red button and then it mixes all around. Step 1, get the banana, and then break it into parts. Alright, step 2, we grab the milk and tip it in there. Grab the spoon. That just to make this come up. Now this is new, so I'm going to have to poke through it. Grab the spoon and just like 2 scoops. 1, 2, oops. Don't worry about that anyway. Step 4. We grab the honey and tip some honey in. This is going to be hard because it's nearly empty. See that yucky honey? It's actually delicious. Alright, now that is enough honey. So, step 5, we grab this and then put it on very tight. Well, not so tight, but a bit tight. Alright, that should be tight enough. Now we turn it upside down. And then we press this button. It will mix around, watch, and it's going to make a loud noise. And it only takes for 2 minutes. And now that's done, now we take it off. So put it in the sink. And then you put this, and then it's ready to drink. But some people just put a straw in the hole, but I just didn't. Delicious. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!